Good morning, dear students. I am Vipin Kumar, and today is Thursday. Thursday, our math class is there. So last class already we completed chapter second. Chapter first we completed integers. So now we are going to start our next chapter, chapter fourth, decimal. Chapter first, second, and third already completed. And now we are going to start chapter fourth, decimal. Then what is the decimal? Anyone can say? Okay, I will. A decimal number consists two parts, whole number part and the decimal part, separated by dot are called decimal point. Okay, it means decimal number जो है उसके अंदर दो पार्ट होते हैं. A decimal number consists two parts. A decimal, suppose 12.347. A decimal number consists two parts. First part is whole number and the second part is decimal part. First part is 12 and 12 is a whole number. These two parts are there. First part is 12 and second part is 347. This is first part and this is second part. The first part is called whole number. First part is called whole number and the second part is called decimal part. What? Decimal part. And the both parts are separated by this dot. Both parts are separated by this dot and this dot is called decimal point. Decimal point. Okay? Understood? So a decimal number consists two part, whole part and decimal part, and both parts are separated by a dot and the dot is called decimal point. Okay? So there are types of decimal, first, second and third. Equivalent decimal. Equivalent decimal. Equivalent नाम से पता चला, equivalent means जो equal हो, जिनकी value same हो. Then the decimal having the same value is called equivalent decimal. ऐसे decimal जिनकी value क्या हो, same हो, the decimal having the same value is called equivalent decimal. Suppose 2.7, 2.70, 2.700 and 2.7000 all are equivalent decimal because the value is same, 2.7 each. Okay? A second, like decimal. What? Like decimal. What is like decimal? So decimal having the same number of decimal place. Decimal having the same number of decimal place. मतलब जिस decimal में decimal के बाद में जो है सब में नंबर सेम हो. सेम का मतलब सेम प्लेस वाले नंबर. सपोज देखो इसमें decimal के बाद में कितना नंबर है? 26 मींस 2 डिजिट आ गया. इसमें भी 2 डिजिट आ रहा है. वन मोर आई विल राइट 1.28. इसमें भी 2 डिजिट. तो ये सब क्या कहलाएंगे? लाइक decimal because after the decimal there are place of number are same. place of number जो है कितने नंबर इसमें है? 2, 2 और 2. अगर मैं इसके साथ में एक और लिख दूं 7.384 तो ये लाइक नहीं है because इसमें कितने प्लेस आ गए? 3 प्लेस तक नंबर आ गए. Any doubt? Unlike decimal. What? Unlike decimal. Next second definition is unlike decimal. Unlike decimal, the decimal having the different number of the decimal place. Decimal place के बाद में अगर different number हो तो उनको क्या कहेंगे? Unlike decimal. Suppose 12.4 इसमें केवल एक ही था, इसमें 2 आ गए और हम लिख दो 389. तो ये सब क्या है? Unlike decimal. क्या है? Unlike decimal. Okay? Any doubt? So once again I revise. Decimal. Decimal means a decimal consists of two parts. Decimal के अंदर दो parts होते हैं. A whole number and the decimal part. Whole part and the decimal part. Both are separated by a dot. It's called decimal point. And the next one, equivalent decimal. The decimal having the same value is called equivalent decimal. अगर decimal में same value हो तो क्या कहेंगे उनको? Equivalent decimal. Next one, like decimal. Like decimal, decimal having the same number of place after the decimal. Decimal के बाद में same number of places हो तो उसको कहेंगे हम like decimal. And the decimal having the different number of place after the decimal is called unlike decimal. Okay? So take the screenshot and write these definition as it is in your notebook. Okay? Okay, so now we start our exercise 4.1. Add the following. The first question is add the following. It means you have to add the following decimal number. So there are 6 questions. As you know that how to add the numbers, simply we have to follow that rule only. Okay, so 4.2 plus 3.7, it means 4.2 and after the point is there and 7 and 3. Okay, we have to add both of these. 7 plus 2 then 9 and 4 plus 3 then 7. So the answer is 7.9. Okay, next 4.72 after the point is there, and 392, 3 9 and 2 before what 7, and we have to add like this only. Blank plus we will put the 0. So 0 plus 2 means 0. 9 plus 2 11, carry 1. 7 and 3 10 and 1 11, carry 1. 7 and 1 8 and 4 12. 12.112 is your answer. Same as 14.325 after the decimal is there, and 5, 3 9 and 5. Okay, blank plus you just put the 0 0 0 and 0. 5 plus 0 then 0, 2 plus 0 then 0, 5 plus 3 then 8. Point as it is, 4 plus 3 7, 9 plus 1 10, and 5 and 1 6. So the answer is 607.825. Next, 3 numbers are there, no problem. 4.12, point is there. The first number is 3 and 7. After one more point is there, 4 and 5. Blank plus I told you just put the 0. 0 plus 2 plus 2 then 2. 4 plus 4 then 8. 5 plus 4 then 9. 9 and 7 16. Okay, this is the answer. Next also same like this, 14.5, 0.72 and 1, 0.59 and here 0 0 0 and 0. You have to add both of these. 9 plus 2 11, carry 1. 5 and 5 10 and 17 and 18, carry 1. 4 and 1 5 and 1 6. 16.8 1 is your answer. The next one, 4.5 after the decimal you have to put the decimal. 5 7 5 7 9, then 9. Here also 5 1 and 8, then 3. Okay, now we have to add. Blank plus you just put the 0. 0 plus 8 plus 8 then 8. 7 and 1 8. 5 5 5 15, carry 1. 9 and 1 10, 10 and 14 and 17. 17.58 8 is your answer. Okay, so take the screenshot and write in the notebook as it is. Okay, so our next second question is there. Find the difference. Find the difference. It means now we have to find the difference of the given numbers. 11.26 minus 4.9, then 11.26 minus 4.9. So at the decimal place we will put the decimal and 9 as it is and 4 also as it is. Blank place you just put the 0 and 0. Okay, so now we have to subtract both of this. Then 6 minus 0 6. 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9 then 3. Okay, and 10 minus 4 then 6. So the answer is 6.36. Any doubt? So next one, 15.46. Point here 8 9 and 7. Subtract both of these. Okay, blank plus you just put the 0. Then carry from here 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 then 7. Here afterward 13 minus 8 5. Okay, then 14 minus 7 then 7. So the answer is 7.57. Any doubt? So the next one, 515.02 and 0.468. Afterwards 2 and 1. So now subtract 0 and 0. So here just see 0 minus 8, it means carry from here, then 10 minus 8 then 2. Afterwards carry from here, then 11 minus 6 then 5. Then carry from here, what is it carry? 9 minus 4 then again 5. Afterwards 4 minus 2 then 2. 1 minus 1 0, and so the answer is 502.552. Any doubt? This is the way to solve this type of questions. Okay, so next 25.96, 0.34 and 8. Subtract again both of these. 6 minus 4, 6 minus 4 then 2. 9 minus 3 then 6. 15 minus 8 then 7, and afterwards 1. Okay, so this is the way. 15.51.04, 27.87 and 2. Subtract both of these, then 0. 10 minus 2 then 8. Afterwards 13 minus 7 then 6. Afterwards what is there? 9 minus 1, 8, then 1. Okay, then 11, 10 minus 7, then 3. Okay, afterwards 4 minus 2, then 2. So 23.168. Any doubt? So this is the way to solve this type of questions. So you have to learn directly. Okay, so here 125 minus 18.132. So point is not there, 125, but point is not here, so we will put 125.000. Afterwards 18.132. just remember one thing only, after the point decimal you have to put the decimal. Okay, so 10 minus 2, then 8. Afterwards 9 minus 3, then 6. Afterwards here also 9 minus 1, then 8. Okay, 4 minus 8, it means 14 minus 8, then 6. Here 1 minus 1, then 0, so 106.868. Okay, so take the screenshot and write as it is in the notebook. Okay, so next question, third one. Simplify the following. It means now we have to simplify the each of the following. क्या करना है इनको simplify. So just do one thing. Take care about one thing only. Those who are positive numbers, you have to add both of these. If are negative numbers, you have to add both of these. Afterwards, subtract both of them. Okay. So let's see. All are positive. All are positive. Simply you just add 6.29. 91 is there. Point is not here. So 91.00 and 0.1 is there, so 0.1. At the blank place you just put the 0, 0, 0 and add all, because all are positive numbers. So 0 plus 9 plus 9, then 9, 2 and 1 3, 6 and 1 7 and 9. So answer is 97.39. Same actually just see, 99 is positive but 26.43 is negative. So first you have to subtract both of these. 99.00 43 6. Subtract first both of these. Okay, so 10 minus 3, then 7. 9 minus 4, then 5. Okay, so here 8 minus 6, then 2. 8 minus 6, then 2. Afterwards 9 minus 2, then 7. 72.57 is the remainder. 72.57. Afterwards 14.005 is also negative, so subtract 14.005 also from here. Okay, so 0. So 10 minus 5, then 5. 6 minus 0, then 6. 5 minus 0, then 5. 12 minus 4, then 8. And 6 minus 1, then 5. So final answer is 58.568 is your final answer. Any doubt? So the next one, just see both are positive, so you just add 7.891.3021. Just add both of these. 1 plus 0 1, 9 plus 0 9, 8 plus 3 11, carry 1, 7 and 3 10, 20.191, 20.191. Now subtract 1.089. Okay, so 11 minus 9, then 2. 8 minus 8, then 0. 1 minus 0, then 1. And 19.102 is your answer. Any doubt? So the next one, so just see both are negative, so you just subtract 34.2 minus 63982. Subtract both of these, so 0 and 0. So 10 minus 9, then 1. Okay, afterwards 9 minus 3, then 6. Afterwards 11 minus 6, then 5. Then 13 minus 8, then 5. Afterwards 2 minus 2, then 0. So answer is 5.561. But this is not final answer. Afterwards 5.561 and plus 9.057. So you have to add both of this, because this number is plus. 7 plus 1 8, 6 plus 5 11, carry 1 6, and 9 and 5 14. The final answer is 14.618. So this is the way. Take the screenshot and write in a notebook. Okay, so the next question, fourth one is the sum of two numbers is 15.84. If one number of them is 8.4, find the other number. Okay, so we have to find the number. Already we know that the sum of number is equal to how much? 15.84, and the one number is 8.4. So we are now we have to find the other number. So directly you know the formula. Other number is equals to sum of number minus the one number. Afterwards your result is, see the result. Sum of the number is 15.84 minus 8. Subtract both of this and you can get your answer. So 15.84, just see 15.84, 8.4, and subtract both of this, 0 and 0. 4 minus 0 then 4, 8 minus 4 then 4, 15 minus 8 then 7. So the your answer is 7.44. The other number is 7.4 and 4. The other number is 7.44. Okay. So this is the way to solve this question. So next one, Anil bought 2.3 kg of fruits, 8 kg of vegetables and 500 gram of dry fruits. So Anil, what is the total weight? We have to find the total weight. So total weight is क्या करेंगे, इन सबको ऐड कर देंगे. But here is gram, kg and kg. So gram we have to change in kg. So we know that for the solving this question, we know that fruits, quantity of fruit कितनी है? 2.3 kg, and vegetables how much? Vegetable is 8 kg, but dry fruits हाँ 500 gram. So you know that gram we have to change in kg. So when we have to change gram in kg, then 500 divided by 1000. Very good. 500 divided by 1000. So your answer is 0.500 kg. Okay. So now you have to find the total quantity. What? Total quantity. Take the screenshot. Afterwards I will rub this first one. First take the screenshot. Okay. Now just see. Now just see total quantity. You have to find the total weight. Total weight we have to add all of this. 2.3 plus 8 plus 0.500. Okay, so you get your total weight. Just see one thing, that this is gram, so we have to change gram in kg, so divide by 1000. So your answer is 2.3. 8 point is not there, so 8.0, 0.500. So you add all of this because the total weight is there. So 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, 5 and 3 8, 8 and 2 10. So your answer is 10.800 kg is your total weight. So after this we have to solve like this. Okay, so take the screenshot again. So the next question is, a bag contains 35.80 kg salt. The weight of the empty bag is 0.825. What is the weight of the bag with salt? So weight of salt is how much? 35.80 kg, and weight of bag is 0.825 kg. So now we have to find the total weight with the bag. So total weight is 5 0 plus 2 then 2, 8 and 8 16, 6 carry 1, 5 plus 1 6 and 3. So the 36.625 kg is your total weight. Okay, 5, 0, 8 and 16, 1 carry. Okay, so the total weight is 36.625. Take the screenshot. Okay, so next and last question of today's class. From the nylon rope of a piece of 1.5 meter is cut off. एक नाइलॉन रोप की जो लेंथ है उसमें से 1.5 मीटर कट कर दिया गया है. The length of the remaining rope is 2.7 meter. What was the length of the nylon rope before the cutting? It was beginning उसकी rope की length क्या थी? So the nylon rope cut piece length of cut part how much? 1.5 meter is cut. And length left length of left rope is equals to 0.27. So 2.7 meters. Okay, so now you just find the total length of rope. Total length, okay, add both of these. 7 plus 5 13, carry 1, 2 and 2 4.3 meters is the length of total rope. Okay, so exercise 4.1 is completed. So now just write in your notebook and try to understand. If you face any problem, then you can ask. Thank you.